Now, let's look at how to solve this inequality. 9x minus 9 less than or equal to 4x minus 11. Step 1. Put all the x terms together. You see those two tens will be cancelled. 9x minus 4x, you then have 5x. Subtract 9 less than or equal to negative 11. Then you do is both sides plus 9. Those two will be cancelled. So you will have a 5x less than or equal to negative 2. In this case, both sides divided by a positive number, or you may say multiplied by positive 1/5, or divided by positive 5. Here you will get 1. 1 times x is x, less than negative 2/5. On the real number 9, if 0 is here, negative 2/5 might be here. There is an equal sign right here, so this one comes to be solid. All the numbers on the left will be less than negative 2/5. So this number to the left, not to the right. Yeah, the common mistake is to the right. It's not, because 0, this number is greater than negative 2/5. Okay? Okay. That's the graph representation. Inequality representation. Using interval, if this point is included, you want to use the square bracket. And then negative 2/5. From this point to the left, negative infinity. Again, because here is infinity, we always use round bracket. If here there were no equal sign, then we would put round bracket. It means on the real number 9, it goes to negative infinity, but negative infinity is not really included. So which one we should choose? That would be right here. That's the one we wanted, number 3. Okay, let's do question 4 here. Question 4, So we have a 21. Erase that. We have a 21x minus 18 greater than 3 times 6x minus 4. And then we want to get distributive property to multiply this one out. So we'll keep 21x minus 18, and we do 3 times 6x is 18x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Okay, so that's the step 1. We wanted to multiply it out. What is the target? Is to what? Isolate. To isolate x. Okay, that's the thing we're going to do. So here we subtract 18x. Here we do the same thing, minus 18x. Then you will get those two cancelled. Okay. So then 21 subtract 18, you have a 3x minus 18. Take this one down. And here greater than -12. Then we do is take the constant -18 to the right. So you do is plus 18. So these two will be cancelled. So you then have a 3x greater than 6. Because 18 minus 12 is 6. So then both sides divided by 3. We will have x greater than 2. On the real number line, if here is 0, here is 2. When you look at x is on the left-hand side of 2, so do not get confused. 2 is not included, and then you do all the number to the left. That's not right. Greater than 2, it starts from what? Any number greater than 2 could be what? 3 here. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, right? 5 right here. Keep going. So in this case, 2 is not included. You use round bracket. And to the positive infinity, round bracket. So that will be round bracket 2 to the positive infinity. Which one is our choice? The last one. 2 to the infinity. 2 is not included. Okay. All right. Now, let's do the following one. The following one should be our question 5. For question 5, we got fractional numbers. So, for the fractional numbers, do not be scared. X over 7 minus 1 over 4 less than or equal to x over 3 plus 1. Be patient. Step 1 is always to copy the question. In this way, you will not get confused. Okay. What number we should multiply to this inequality? Let me do this way. Choose the red color. And then 4 times 7 is 21. If both sides multiply 21, we are okay with this one and this one. But we got problem with 4 because 21 divided by 4 is still not an integer. Okay. So then what number we should do? 21 times 22, 21 times 2 is 42. So in this case, we better do is which number we are going to use. We use 7 times 4 times 3, this number. That equals what? That will be 4 times 7, 28 times 3. Okay. And then you keep going. 3 times 8, 4 here. So is that 84? Yeah, 84. Okay. Yeah, 84. So everywhere multiplied by 84. 84. So 84 divided by 7. So is 7 times 4 times 3 is 84. You divide it by this number, you have 3 times 4, which is 12. So it's 84 divided by 7, that's 12. 14 here. So that's 12, right? Okay. So then here you have a 12x. And here is 21. Less than. And here is 28. 84 divided by 3 is 28. And do not forget x. And then plus 1 times 84 is 80. Okay. No x here. 84. Huh. 84. So in step 1, we eliminate all the denominators. Then we are happy they are all integers. Okay. Now the rest of the step will be easy. And step 1, subtract 12x everywhere on two sides. So those two will be eliminated. And then you have a negative 21 less than or equal to 16, x. 28 minus 12 is 16. And then plus 84. Keep going. Now, let me get red one. Okay. Then you take 84 to the left. Cancel positive, negative. So it looks like 84 positive. Shift it to the left, change the sign. Now you have a 21 negative, and here is negative 84. Gives us negative 105. Then less than or equal to 16 times x. Okay, one more step. We are done. Okay, both sides divided by positive, not negative. Positive, because you want to make this one be 1. So x on the right-hand side, and here is negative 105, 16 downstairs. Okay, so then you know if here is 0, negative number negative 105 over 16 might be here. Okay, now this is the dividing point. If this point included, there is an equal sign here. So it's a solid point. And from this point, x greater than that negative number, even 0 is greater than negative number. So you want to go from this point to the right. And then what is the interval representation? Again, when you see the equal sign here, you want to include this point, -1/5 over 16 to the right, infinity again around the bracket. That will be our solution. So in this case, among those four choices, this will be the one, the second one will be our choice. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.